Ayo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Wildcat Boulder. Welcome back to a brand new video for you guys here today. And today guys, we are now on the next episodes of Infinity Train Book 4, baby. Woo! And like I've always said, every single time we've done these videos, you already know by now. If you guys have not watched my previous episodes I've done on Infinity Train, I'm gonna highly encourage you guys, please go check it out. But yes guys, welcome back to the next episodes of Infinity Train. Today we are now on episode 7 and 8. I am very excited to check it out today because in the last episode, you know, both Ryan, Minji, and Kez were trying to get into the specific, I believe it's called a party cart, and you know, they were waiting in line to basically figure out a way to get inside. However, you know, both realized that it's not working, so they had to do something else to kind of get themselves inside. I guess they kind of fooled the guard to basically get inside the cart, and it worked because, you know, that's how they work. As they got into the little dome or rocket ship or whatever, they ran into the stewardess who also gave them back their belongings, you know, Minji's guitar. I forgot what that little, it's like a keypad or something that Minji uses. I mean, so far they kind of got all their stuff back, thank God, because I did not really dig those costumes they were wearing. I just wasn't really digging it. Besides that, they also ran into, you know, when they finally got into the party, they ran into a couple of Kez's friends who, you know, they're kind of bizarre and weird, but again, it's Infinity Train, so it is what it is. As it's happening, Kez told her friends that Minji and Ryan are in a band, and you know, that's where it was kind of where the conflict, you know, revolves, you know, because Minji's still a bit shy and bashful that he doesn't want to do, you know, go on stage and embarrass himself to play his instrument, while, you know, Ryan just doesn't care. He just loves doing what he wants to do because he wants to be a musician. At the end of the episode, you know, they didn't leave the cart. They kind of just, you know, went to the bathroom and just, I guess, started writing their own song. I mean, besides that guys, I'm very excited to check out episode 7 and 8 today, and let's see what's gonna happen. So without further ado, enough of my talking, let's get into the video and let's check out episode 7 and 8 of Infinity Train. Here we go! Oh, they got out.
When he goes into record, he just munches down on a bunch of sandpaper and wails. It's just a bit of Valiant. You always skip ahead, so you don't appreciate the progression he puts into the album as a whole.
Okay, we're in Mind the Document, is that what I said?
It's freezing. You're the worst Canadian.
You're the worst Canadian.
Service? We want, like, a tour. A free one.
I'm pretty sure Kez has been in this car too, so wouldn't be surprised. It's pretty weird though. It's a bunch of art stuff and paintings.
That car with the big roller skates? Sounded good. Really? I thought you were sleeping. Not quite.
The colors are bold, but the lines have, like, hesitation in them. Without context, it's hard.
Bro, it's just a painting, but there is context to some drawings and art.
Or a reaction to trends at the time.
You're getting lazy, Train. Is it now? Magic painting portals? I bet it thought we'd be here for hours. I know how this plays out.
Alright, how do you got? Nope, that's not it.
Who's the worst Canadian now?
I forgot they're Canadian. I keep forgetting that.
I'm going over there.
Why is it cold?
You stay here. We don't know how this car works yet. Maybe
Yeah.
just do this one thing without arguing? Do I need to hold your hand through everything? Min, are you okay?
What happened?
We're never gonna get anywhere. I need to be alone.
Yeah. Man, they gotta be so mean. Oh, what is that?
Sue, I found these headphones, but, like, there isn't any place to plug them in. I think it's a scam.
I think it's a scam. You just broke them?
What's up with Min?
Why are you asking me? Oh, so I can ask him for you.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
No, I think that now is probably the worst time for that.
pretty much, yeah.
Let Mama Kez fix everything.
Watch it.
Damn, bro, what's your deal?
Well, Birdie told me that you and Ryan are having, like, problems.
I don't have problems on my own. He leaves, comes back, and his problems become my problems. 18 years of letdowns.
Okay, bro, you gotta relax on that. Come on, man. It's not his fault.
Min's not doing so hot. You gotta support each other.
You gotta support each other. I think Okez is like a therapist for both of them.
No need to rush anything.
I'm the one always trying to help.
Why is it getting cold in there? That's a better question.
See again. He's dead. Wait.
What?
What?
I refuse to end up just like Min. I'm gonna make something of myself.
I need to make sure Morgan isn't stretching out my sweaters.
So I'm guessing this thing is like touching them whenever they get angry or have negativity or something like that.
Hey, Min, can I, talk to you for a sec?
Huh? Kaz?
I think you really hurt Ryan.
You don't know him like I do.
Yeah.
Not a bad guy. He just...
Yeah.
He's Ryan.
What do you can't end up like him? Dude, what is that thing?
Min thinks he's the only one bad things happen to. But he doesn't have to pretend like things are...
Look at that black mamba right there. That's pretty cool, man. Dad, dude, what is that thing? See?
Why doesn't anyone care about how I feel?
Everybody, the more they get negative, like, that thing grabs onto them.
It was never just your life. Back to me for help. We had a plan. I wanted to give you another chance. No gigs and no money is not a plan. But holding up in your room is. I can't drop everything in my life just because you can't figure out yours.
Oh, where's Kez? What the fuck?
What happened? You screamed?
Oh, that, yeah. Sometimes I like do that. Whatever. You two are together.
I don't know what you want us to do, Kez.
Figure it out.
I really don't want to be here. Yeah.
Dude, what is that fucking thing? What is that?
You told me I can't appreciate the song without taking the rest of the album. I need the whole package.
What? Oh, it's the door. That's their exit. Oh. Oh, he's gotta see it too.
Can you hear me?
Min,
Kev, what's happening?
how did she get through?
Man,
Dude, what is that thing? What the hell? It's people's numbers. Dude, what the fuck is that thing?
was that thing turning us against each other?
Yeah. It has everyone's number. It's the... Dude, that thing was creepy. That is creepy, guy.
I won't leave you.
Oh, his exit. What? What happened? And why is the train stopping? Got a lot of questions, man. Don't, man. Man, how does he not see the egg? Oh, come on, Ryan. Don't leave your homeboy. Don't leave him. Huh? So he can't leave without Min. How does he not? There, he sees the exit now. Dude, what is that thing?
Min, I'm so happy. You're...
What?
You left me.
He didn't do it on purpose. Well, that was a weird cart. I don't know. That was probably the freakiest thing I've seen in Infinity Train, and yeah, that was weird. Regardless though, let's hop into episode 8. Here we go.
You left
No, he didn't mean to. He just saw the exit. Yeah, bro, his exit.
Never mind.
This is bad. I don't like this. This is bad.
Hey, so I know that last car was like all creepy and gross.
We're still trying to get to Kez's place, man.
Oh, really? Yeah, it's like in the next car.
But like Kez, what's in it for me?
Well, Min and Ryan,
Yeah.
I'll tell ya. There are beds, there are sconces, there are...
Yeah, men don't care, bro. They just want to get out of here. This is bad, bro. I don't like this. What the hell?
My roommate's right over there. This is my home.
The giant maze. She lives in the castle too. Nice.
Are gonna love Morgan.
Yeah, I want to see Morgan.
This is new. Gardeners might have taken some creative liberties in like remodeling the front yard.
Bro, it's like the maze runner right now.
Don't sweat your pretty little brows. I'll just like guide you from above. What?
Alright, I guess it's gonna work. Let's see.
Mega maze, in the mega maze. Woo, that's nice.
Mega maze.
What if in the mega maze? Like somebody's been listening to my Ubra.
My family got the promo cassette you sent, if that's what you mean.
Yeah, my.
They got it? I believe in Ryan, bro. Hopefully he chases that dream.
You've been on tour. Everything's been so easy for you.
Oh, right. So easy.
I mean, it's true. You do things. Your life is fun.
Yeah. You want to go to university?
Trying
Whoop! Other way.
Oh my god, kid. What the fuck?
Dude, I still live with my parents. And my job? I mean, you said it. I'm up for assistant manager at a Humpty Dumpty themed restaurant.
I didn't say that.
Yeah, but you meant it.
That is getting me all sad, bro. What the fuck?
Other.
Jesus, Kez, man.
You should be looking forward to it.
Yeah, man.
My parents are looking forward to it.
Yeah, because they actually care about you. Nobody cares about me unless I'm doing something.
Well, he's chasing the dreams, so I'll give him that much. At least Ryan's trying.
Kez!
Okay, that one's on you guys. You're like back at the last dead end.
I thought when we played music in the bathroom,
Yeah,
you
man.
and I were like, you know,
Friends?
when you left me, when you went through the door first, it felt like the same thing you always do. And I know I should trust you. I'm just so tired of faking it.
I definitely wasn't trying to, leave you.
That's bromance, dog. Still the same number, man.
You guys are being like way too hard on yourselves.
Kez. Oh, damn. Damn, all the people from the carts are after them. And the pig. Dude, what the fuck?
I thought we were like done with those guys. Nothing to worry about. It's just all those weirdos who are like super.
They're after you guys.
The only thing I'm obsessed with is justice, outlaw.
You left us perpetually cycling through forms against
Are they aliens? Why are they raccoons again?
Toddler?
I lost his job as a bouncer because of you. He is a single parent with a family of 14. What's he supposed
Family of 4. Oh, Jesus.
got mouths to feed?
Now that everybody feels heard, you can all probably go back home, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Right after we fry you.
Jesus.
Come back here, Dad.
Hey, Corpsey! Run! Before you become like the actual Corpsey!
This is bad, dude. They're all after them. God, dude. I remember, can't the shoes be magnetic? If I'm mistaken. Dude, the one character I did not want to see come back was that pig.
You two want to be a pile of protozoa or a bag of bones? Maybe one of each.
Just go to his legs. Let's go, let's go. Why?
Why are you even wearing a parka still?
Yeah.
I still plan on meeting others for our annual ski trip.
They're still trying to go on that skiing trip. Uh-oh. Ooh. She dead. Dude, they're dead. The only person alive is the pig. Are you fucking kidding me?
We're the band.
No way. Okay, alright, that worked too. He got 14 kids, bro. That was pretty much his. Well, he is a bouncer, so it's his job. Oh. Gaz!
Curse the perpetual floor of my compound eyes.
Come on, man.
No matter where you go, where you hide, the long gavel of the law will come down to smush you.
Uh-oh. He did. Gaz, let's go! Nice. You! He did it!
Min, Ryan, I'd like to introduce you to my roommate, Morgan.
Where's he at? Ooh.
Where is he?
He's the house?
Cass, you really shouldn't have come back here.
Woo! Okay. So, what did I think of episode 7 and 8 of Infinity Train? Now that all the villains have been eliminated, now we finally have met up with Morgan. And it turns out Morgan's the house. Okay, pretty interesting. But yeah, honestly, episode was dope. Both episodes were dope. And yeah, Ryan and Min are still kind of having conflicting issues, you know. I'm surprised Ryan stayed. I thought he would have did, but he's a good guy, good friend. So I'm glad he kind of stayed, you know, wait for Min to, you know, figure out that, you know, card. I feel bad for Ryan and Min because they both have lives that didn't turn out what they wanted to be. But it's good that they're both talking about it. Respect that. Besides that though, man, episode was fantastic. Both of them were really fantastic. So now the main issue is Morgan. We finally met up with Morgan, so let's see what's gonna happen. And yeah, so that does it for 7 and 8. Yes guys, the next episode will be the finale of Infinity Train. Yeah, man, I enjoyed episode 7 and 8, and I cannot wait for the finale of Infinity Train Book 4. So, besides, I want to thank y'all for watching this video. If you like, please don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. I will be doing more reactions in the future, so if you have anything you want to check out in the future, please let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, this has been your boy, Wildcat Bolt, and I'll see you all later.